опять пришел. Да. На, Котя, на. Где. Sai a cabeça dele. Olha lá, ó. Vamos pegar o outro, vamos pegar o outro também. Pra quê? Pra tirar daqui de dentro. É pra levar pra outro lugar, né? Matar um e matar o outro lá não dá. Como é que fica com isso? Isso não tem roupa não? Tá com balão. Índia doido.
Lá é maior, não é?
É só levar o saco na frente dele.
Ei, ele vai ficar acabado.
Aí.
Ô, gente,
Segura lá.
ajuda ali o pé, Xangô.
Não, pô, só cortou só o beijo. Bora. Levanta. Não, deixa ele levantar. Levanta. Bora, levanta. Não, bora. Espera um pouquinho. Não, bora.
Tá pronto.
Segura, então aguenta firme. Não dá nada. Cadê um pano?
Vamos.
That's wild, man.
Oh, here he comes, his buddy. That thing is trying to get him hard.
Never in my life. Oh, there's more, Jason. I just seen a kitten jump on the ground. I think somebody threw them out there. They swam to shore, and then when they seen us, they just came swimming. We did continue fishing with the cats. We got them dried off, and I think they enjoyed fishing with us. They played with us the whole time. There was a family at the boat launch where we were loading the boat up. They had some young kids, and they really took interest in the cats and the story that we had to tell with them, so they adopted them.
This is a deer that we saw walking along the bank while fishing in northern Michigan.
Oh, he ate something that was black on top
with
of
a blaze orange vest on.
What was that you just ate?
I'm not sure.
That was some black tubing.
Okay. He's alright.
He just ate some tubing.
Here, buddy.
Look at this little guy. It's a button buck. Obviously somebody's pet that's been out today with blaze orange. We thought it was a hunter walking down the hill when we looked. When we saw that it was a freaking...
Now, like, you call
Hey!
You call your buddy there, he would like, you'd say, yeah, now the deer is in our boat. He would never frickin' believe you had a deer.
So we pulled over to the shore, and the deer jumped off the shore up into our boat with us.
Yeah, he's hanging out, looking around. Looking for some granola bars. Checking out my gear bag. No, not with spawn. Don't eat spawn. Come on, buddy. Come out of my boat. Come on.
No, you're not getting any of this stuff. Sorry.
He was gonna
Ralph got mounted.
That deer was gonna mount me.
No, that deer wasn't. That deer did mount you.